In this video, we'll show you how to install FH Group custom fit seat covers on a 2024 Chevrolet Trax. Check the description below to see all compatible models. Place the bottom seat cover over the seat. Push the buckle straps through the seat crevice. Adjust the bottom seat cover to fit properly following the contour of the seat. Find the loop near the seatbelt holder, then pull it over the holder for a snug fit. Push the side soft bar into the crevice of the seat. Place the buckle straps underneath the seat, positioning them to connect with the buckles you pass through the crevice, now located on the back side of the seat. Now, connect the straps to their buckles and tighten for a secure fit. Open the hook and loop near the headrest openings and slide the backrest cover over the seat. Insert the fabric into the crevice. Place the extra fabric beneath the hook and loop on the backside and press firmly to secure. Attach the hook and loop under the base of the headrest holder. Tuck any excess fabric into the crevice. Slip the headrest cover over the headrest. Place the bottom seat cover over the seat, carefully following the contour for a snug and accurate fit. Tuck any excess fabric into the crevice. Insert the hook and loop straps through the crevice between the seat back and bottom. Make sure to tuck in any excess fabric. Pull the drawstring underneath the seat to tighten and secure the bottom seat. To remove the headrest, insert a small object into the pinhole while pressing the side button, then lift the headrest out. Slide the backrest cover onto the seat, aligning it with the contour until it's fully secured. Unzip the backrest cover, pull the seatbelt outward, and slide the cover under the seatbelt and over the seat. Zip the backrest cover closed. Insert the hook and loop straps through the crevice between the seat back and bottom. Open the hook and loop strap, then wrap and secure it to the backside of the backrest for a tight fit. Now repeat the same steps for all remaining hook and loop straps. Follow the same steps to install the other backrest. Open the hook and loop under the headrest cover, slide it on, then close the hook and loop. Align the cover with the shape of the console, then slide it over smoothly. That's it! Your 2024 Chevrolet Trax is now protected with FH Group custom fit seat covers. Check the description for more compatible models.